Piece from arc generates an arched pattern piece based on the length of existing elements. Start the macro. An editor appears, allowing you to customize the shape of your new piece. Values like the length and seam allowance can be set here. The parameter for quilling volume determines the volume of the arc. Check the picture on the right side of the editor as a reference for the different values. Grading for the new piece can be toggled on and off. Additionally, there is an option to increase or decrease the length of the attachment seam. Click OK once all values have been set. Now, the elements used for the construction need to be selected in the order of sewing. Use the right mouse button to collect the elements and click the last one with the left. Elements can be selected twice if needed. The finished piece is attached to the mouse cursor and can be placed using a left click. Stripe line and text position are included, as well as information regarding the radius of the arc. Grade rules will be calculated based on the length of the selected elements.